How to hide apps on Android without uninstalling. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to hide apps on Android device without actually uninstalling them. So let's just get right into it. I'm going to show you guys a few methods. So the first one is pretty simple. It's the basic hide feature on your Android device, which you can use. Depending on which device you have, the process might be a bit different, but on a Samsung device, what you want to basically do is go over to your home screen settings by pinching out or holding on to your home screen and then tapping over to the settings icon at the bottom right. Then, once your settings opens up, scroll down here until you find Hide Apps on Home and App Screens. You basically have to tap on it, and let's say if I want to hide a certain app, I'm going to go over here and then I can just scroll down, find the app that I want to hide, let's say Facebook. I can just tap on it and then tap on Done. Once you do that, your app will now be hidden from both your home screen as well as your app screen. As you can see here, Facebook was supposed to be here. Now it's no longer there. And even if I go over to my app screen, I'm not able to find Facebook. So this is the first method to hide the app. Now, there is a second method that you can use to hide apps. That is disabling the app. So let's say if I want to hide Google Chrome from my home screen, what I can do is go to the settings menu, and then from there you want to find your app settings. So go ahead and tap on apps and find Google Chrome from here, or just use the search icon at the top right. I'll just go ahead and search for Chrome and then tap on it. Once you have Chrome open, you can find the disable button at the bottom of your screen. Basically tap on it and then disable the app. Now doing this, your app will be disabled and you will no longer be able to use it. So as you can see here, Google Chrome from this section is now gone as well. And I'm not able to find it on my app screen either. So even if I search for Chrome, I'm not able to find it. And these are some of the methods that you can use to hide apps on your Android device. If you found this helpful, hit the like button below and subscribe. I'll catch you in the next one.